Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is Epicero off campus drive. So Epicero off campus drive, it is for graduates and freshers. So the job location is India and it can be Bangalore wherever. So it is throughout the India and the job profile is software engineers. So next thing is we shall quickly see what is the qualification that is needed for this job role. So the qualification is BE, BTech and also MTech students are eligible and also BCA and MCA graduates are eligible. So and the year of pass out is 2020 and 2021 pass outs only and the percentage criteria is 60% and above in 10th, 12th and graduation. So this is the percentage criteria. So these are the skills that is needed to apply. So the first thing is that you should be a critical thinker and a problem solving skills. So you should have the problem solving skills and also good analytical skills and great interpersonal and communication skills. So your communication should be very good. And the next thing is that the coding proficiency. Since they are hiring for the job role that is software engineers, you need to be good in any one of the programming language. So coding proficiency in any programming language, it can be Python, Java, C, C++ or .NET. Any one programming language is preferred and you should be able to write the code. And also a knowledge of algorithms. And next thing is that it is good to have the basic knowledge of frameworks like Spring and also some knowledge of cloud technologies. So for freshers, they are going to look only for one programming language. You should have the knowledge of any programming language. It can be C, Java or Python. So and you should be strong with the OOPS concepts and also any knowledge of like automation framework. And if you have done any of the programming certification course, like it can be certification course on Java or Python, so that is one of the great advantage which is added. So now quickly we shall see the test pattern. So test pattern is that there will be written test, technical and HR interview. So in case of written test, the first will be the internal screening test. So in case of internal screening test, the first will be, you will be having a questions from Java programming, so Java MCQs as well as Java programming questions and basic aptitude questions. So it's one of the internal screening test. And once you have cleared the internal screening test, then you will get a mail. So you will get a mail for further rounds, that is coding round. So you will get the mail for the coding round, in which the coding round it is conducted in the HackerRank platform. So once you successfully clear the coding round, so the next will be technical rounds as well as it will be followed by HR rounds. So you can say written test internal screening, it will be very easy, like there will be basic aptitude questions, verbal part as well as Java programming questions. You can easily clear that. So once you are done with that, you will get the mail for coding round. So quickly go and apply for the same. So Epicero Drive, it is really good for freshers and the application link will be provided in the description box. You can go and apply for it quickly. So apply it now itself before the link expires. So the link will be provided in the description. So go and apply for the same. So thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.